Find the square root of 25. Find the square root of 25. Solution. To determine the square root of any perfect square number, whether it is a small number or a large number, we use the approach called the rule of divisibility. So in that case, when I have the number, which is 5, I will draw something like a table. Now, I'll look at numbers that can divide 25. What number apart from 1 that will divide 25 without having remainder? It is obvious that it is 5. So 25 divided by 5, what will I have? I will have 5. What number can I use again? 5. 5 divided by 5, what will I have? 1. You can see. So we don't have any, because we know that 1 is divisible by 1. So we don't need 1. What we need now is what we have here. From here. This is what we are going to use. So it means that what? 25 is equal to what? Now square root of 25 to be equals to what? We have this to be square root of 5 times 5. Can you see that? That's square root of 5 times 5. So in that case, don't forget for square root, if you square a positive number and you also square a negative number from our previous lessons, it will give you positive. So in a formal way, the square root of positive number, we are looking at square root of positive number, it will give you plus or minus. You are going to have two answers. Plus or minus. So in that case, this will give us plus or minus square root of 5 square. So what happened? This number is the answer. The answer is plus or minus 5, which can be written as 5 or minus 5. That is the answer. Because if I square 5, I will have 25. And if I also square minus 5, is minus 5 times minus 5, which will give us plus 25, which is 25. So take note of that. That is the solution to the problem.